Yazo, isikadi Lavender FM, young the Traffic and Youth Station. Purpose debate for deployment. Yeah, the arts and poetry jam. Galau, Rolamana, and I love the song Amanda, and Poracala for the from John Machakaso, Sakio Chmanda Potsua, Miss Yota, and the pattern as the kind of becomes more. Yeah, watch your fees, in the Kruger Amanda, when I'm going to try and the kind of becomes more. Now, see the night viewer, there was an Archifans or Finnish Fires with the Nam Santa Porca arts and poetry jam. You're Zaganagamanda episode. Yeah, or for Rachel with Amanda, when I search. Yeah, this Korea, Karor Quata, we are paid the Raya Tshifiwa. Achkoro Kanzo channel Chawdi Sangamanda and Poracala for the arts and poetry jam. Cause the facility, sit back and relax and enjoy the show. Yeah, Ria we are scarred.
Baby, you my local.
Tshavhungwe Tshifhiwa FM, your only true African news station, purposely made for youth empowerment.
Me love your love. Me say me love your love. You make me spend all of me more. Many women like King Solomon. I don't wanna be a player no more. I wanna be there when you call. Me doctor say you're good for me, oh. I need you close. Me not throw you more wall like a boy David, oh. I need your heart. Ngari ini wanga. Let me put you in a beamer. Manchin by the sea. I see, girl. I see, girl, yeah. Me love your love. Like that. Me say me love your love. Let know. Take a shot at a kill. Pour it out. Meditate on the river. Them my boys say them feel ya. Them my force, them a lot to you, girl. Boom, my class, them a see ya. Listen, me doctor say you're good for me, oh. I need you close. Me not throw you more wall like a boy David, oh. I need your heart. Ngari ini wanga.
Kezo mtiri safune wala fendefi marubu yani ka break, a short break, record bubia ka short break, and if kala fendefi miskadi wala fendefi, you need traffic and youth station. Purpose the made for deployment. Yeah, ndo diambo rduwana Tshifiwa. Another was fani chawa Korea. Over to you Tshifiwa karikanzo nga chirendo chonga manda pezi atu marubuzori upinyi zo de budana refera chano chino fimi ni hanipono kala fendefi. Yeah, ka atsa poetu jam ndiskori Tshifiwa. Chipinga ni chawe. Over to you.
Ndikoli wa mhashi na batichiri wa Lavender FM ano kwamba na musi ndi mkololo wa rambo damsanda chiwanga matembele anenga zina bamubidza Tshavhungwe Tshifhiwa Cynthia. I search, I seek for a bond, the fondness in your eyes. You make me feel special when I look into your eyes. With you there's no miscarried. The wondrous words you share with me. I look along the years, and all I see is the extinction of joy you brought to my life. The countless ride we had, the days we spent together. Although sometimes I become foggy, I can't deny the fact that wherever I go, I see you. When I look around, all I think of are your wondrous ways. So here we are, our past in stone, our future set in bliss. I search.
Yeah, kezo chikruwe samanda Tshifiwa na chirendo cha mtisanga manda cha Luisi mani I search. Yeah, chikruwe samanda ni chikuria yobe kadvala fende FM. Yeah, yongli Traffican Youth Station purposely made for the moment kwa dipinga manda ka urimbo na dwasiana rone pono kala fende FM ni chikuria. Up until we meet again next time, same place hadi pono kala fende FM kadvala fende FM chona isima chakaso isakio chimanda pazuwaswa miss yote ni chikuria nena bone karata kana chimwa chidao same place na chipinga nga hafu pakere patikana ana hafu msoroje na kai iri ya burati yani pono kala fende 6:30 ndi chipinga Central African Standard Time chini cha bore mbekamba shme arts and poetry jam ibe tu wakaneta kucheza tena nchukuri karita kana chimwa chidao yani pono kala fende chukuri ya episode ntwa ya arts and poetry jam yana musiye boyi pamtachira sori yawe yenzagana ngamanda peza ne korea kawasare mtachiresi yani nchukuri kaba dipine ngamanda kaba fune buchuroi ba dipagomere twala bude atera
Ichikadiwa Lavenda FM. Your only true African news station, purposely made for youth empowerment.
Open up my heart like a window, play my life on billboards. Feels like I've been here before. This is Mac Fam. Walking through the valley of the shadow of the beast. Oh na na oh I. Oh na na oh I. Oh na na oh I. 'Cause the scriptures come alive as long as I got you by my side. By my side. You by my side. You by my side. You by my side. You by my side.
Getting the chicken malone and one down south, push it fully volume. Mac Fam is the team, I team push it solo. And we got it all, take a perfect picture photo. And I swerving on these beginners, I'm from your one. Nobody does it better, these ain't getting it done. My girl by my side, Bonnie and Clyde, man, chasing winners, but winners already won. Where you gone? She said, baby, you know you got it, and I guess it done. They know the tip that I be rapping on. She my melody, she the lyrics to my favorite song. She's a hot girl. Bonnie and Clyde. I asked her what's her name, she said Jay-Z, so I decided. Roses to the pedals, love to the making. Baby, when it's over, you know we be sweat dripping. I wanna be, then the scriptures come true as long as I got you. Ain't dropping, flopping, ain't stopping, I'm upping all this flows. She get the whip, I get the cash, then we up on the go. And one down south, push it fully volume. Mac Fam is the team, I team push it solo. And we got it all, take a perfect picture photo. Mac Fam, and the skirt, swerving all these beginners, I'm from your one.
Open up my heart like a window. Open up my heart like a window. Walking through the valley of the shadow of the beast. Oh na na oh I. Oh na na oh I. Oh na na oh I. 'Cause the scriptures come alive as long as I got you by my side. By my side. You 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 by my side. Yeah.
Zuranaya left and right center. Horubona make fame ambona ba repenta. Zurero patuche tangori ndobona cheta. Make fame your father angori cheta. Nangomba isangora na tenguri peta. Tozurana sango bara tamutiketa. Samungwi satendoni atengoneta. Freestyle king itena kota sopi seta. Zaka fathers on the night. Bakunyitori ndingari. Kumula wundili huru likote yuri lifari. Habarize mipururu. Nambendi mumari. Kosikuru. Mwari. So do you follow me? Nozifana mangwarani Huri Deyo chira nichi shangoni Swine rako na babisha paba swiboni
Fighting for our liberation, yet we don't know our destination. And we argue every conversation. It's a lack of communication. Man stuttering, man for remuneration. Government mislead with a medication. Allah, can you feel our desperation? They're teaching us lies with their education. And baby girl, you still busy with your sanitation. Don't wanna give birth to another nation. How long will we go through man oppression? Man oppression. Walking through the valley in the shadow of the beast. Oh na na oh I.
Meg J.
Oh na na oh I. Oh na na oh I. 'Cause the scriptures come alive as long as I got you by my side. By my side. You by my side.